Make a microwave cake with me. 1 spoon of flour, pinch of salt, 1/4 spoon baking powder, 1/2 spoon instant coffee, 1 spoon 0% fat Greek yogurt. I used regular chocolate spread, but it would be healthier if you used dark chocolate or a less sugary alternative.
Mix, 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 mix.
Vanilla extract.
Not that much. 1 egg cracked open by 1 hand.
Mix, 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 mix. Microwave for 1 minute until it's not wet.
Honestly, the most important part is this.
Add your favorite chocolate sweetener or whatever.
Yamahe, yamahe.